In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel, upload content to that YouTube channel, and then grab the video that you've uploaded into YouTube and then embed that video into a web page. So here we are back on google.com and we're going to sign in to google.com. So let's start over from the beginning. Go to google.com. So here we are on google.com, and from google.com we're going to click on the grid here, which are Google Apps, and now we're just going to come down to YouTube. And from YouTube we're going to click Sign In. We're going to use the account, or at least I'm going to use the account of John that I just created in a previous video, which I showed you how to create a Google account. So I'm going to click on John, and now I'm going to log into my John account. And here we go. Now that I'm into YouTube, my J here to represent John, and I'm going to come down to the menu and click Create a Channel. And from here, I've got the name of John. The handle is @John/ON9ZL. I'm fine with that. And I'll click Create Channel. And now the channel is simply going to be created. So here it is. I've created my channel. It says your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So I will. Okay, so I refreshed my screen. It literally took 5 to 10 seconds for the channel to be created. That's how quick it was. So now I'm at this empty screen, and now I can upload a video. So I had that other video that I created before with Adobe Express, which was the Introduction to Drone Technology and Applications course. And that video is actually right here in my downloads folder. And here it is, Drone Intro. It's an MP4. It's not too big. It's only 16.2 megabytes. But this is the video that I want to download to my new YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click Upload Video. And now all I need to do is just drag and drop. So here is my drone intro video. I'm going to grab it and drag it. I could have selected Select Files instead, but drag and drop is really easy. It's now going to take me to this new screen, and I've got to give it a title. So this will be an introduction to drone tech and applications. I can give the viewers a description, so I'll just use the same one, Introduction to Drone Technology and Applications class. And then from here, I can create a thumbnail, but when I upload it, a thumbnail is going to be added automatically. So it's in the uploading process right now. So I don't really need to do this unless I want to have something special or specific. I can add it to a particular playlist. I don't have any playlists at the moment, but I can create one. So I'll create my playlist. This will be a new one. And this will just be for my drone class, which is Geography 108. So I can create videos, and it's going to go specifically into this folder. At least that's where I'm going to create it for. Right now, the visibility is public. I'm fine with that, so I'll create it. So now I've got this playlist. That's where it's going to go into. I'll click Done. You'll notice again that my thumbnails are popping up. I like this second thumbnail, so I'm going to click on that one. Audience, is it made for kids? My recommendation for you is say no, it's not made for kids. It just makes it easier that way, especially if you start to monetize in the future, if you're building a subscription base, but we're not even going to get into that at the moment. There is no age restriction, so we don't need to mess around with that. If you click Show More, is it a paid promotion? No, we don't need any of this. You can add tags to your video in case you want people to find it. So I'll just add one tag at the moment. Then in terms of language, the video language is English. Now, the reason why I want to do this is because YouTube is actually quite clever, and it will create a caption for you. It's not necessarily a perfect caption, but it does give you a caption. So typically speaking now, when you're developing videos, you want to create a caption just for accessibility purposes. Until you do, you're going to have a caption developed by YouTube automatically. In terms of caption certification, I've got none, but I can say this content has never aired on television in the United States, so I'll click on that one. Recording date, I'm not going to add any of this. In terms of my license, a standard YouTube license is fine. Or you can have a Creative Commons. Creative Commons, of course, is free for anybody to use your video. Standard YouTube license pretty much gives you a copyright. So I'm going to use a standard YouTube just to allow that copyright to exist. I'll view this other stuff, allow all comments. You don't really need that because what we're doing is creating a video. We've got our video link and this is what we're going to use. So I'm going to click next. This is fine. In terms of adding subtitles, you can reach a broader audience by adding subtitles to your video. I'm going to pass on that at the moment. I'm going to pass on all this stuff at the moment and click next. Introducing checks before you publish will check your video for copyright issues and help you resolve them. That's fine. Click next. In terms of save or publish, once again, I'm going to make this actually an unlisted video. You can make it listed and it's available for the public. In this case and in this example, we'll just make it unlisted. I don't need to schedule a date for it to become public. I'm just going to have it made public automatically. I'll click save. And the video is starting to be published. So here's my video link and I can copy that link and click close. It also gives me an introduction to YouTube Studio, but we're not going to delve into that at the moment. Okay, so this is going to take a few moments. It's got to upload, it's got to process, and once it's processed, it's going to process in high def. Now, I got that link, and I can paste the link into another website. My video is small, so it uploaded rather quickly. And now I can click play, and here it is. So my 35-second video is now published on YouTube. It's unlisted, so the only people who are going to be able to access this video are the ones who I give the link to. So we've got the video URL. You're going to submit the URL to us in order to receive credit. But in addition to that, you're going to click the share button down here. And when you click the share button, you can click embed. And now we have an embed code. So I'm going to copy the embed code. And once I copy the embed code, I can now add that to my discussion board post that you have to do, or I can frankly use this embed code and I can add it anywhere that I want. So to give you an example, if we go to our course here, and let's say I clicked edit. So I've got a window open on our course site. I'm going to edit this window. And if I come down here and I click insert and then embed, then I can paste the embed code in here. And now my video, if I click save, is now embedded within my Canvas website. And here it is. And you can actually click on it and play the video inside of the website. Now, if we have a discussion board post, you can click on discussion. And let's say we have our discussion board forum here, and I click reply. I can insert, embed, paste, and now I've got my video pasted into the discussion board, and everybody can now see the video that I've created. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel, to upload a video to YouTube, to copy the URL for that video, and then to share that video via an embed code that you can embed into a website. Pretty quick, pretty painless. All right, everybody, thanks a lot. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.